Okay, here it is, man. Here it is, right? I watched this commercial, man, right? Okay, the first time I see this commercial, this VW commercial about this, white dude from Minnesota, right? Talking like the island man I is, right? I think to myself, man, that is I, my son. That is I. That be the way I is in the modern time, At first I think, no, maybe just me ego talking, and I'd be like, man, no, I'd be in the elevator with me tie on, everybody be, carrying on, I'd be like, no worries, man, everything gonna be alright, and they look at me that way, explain a lot, you know what I mean, So, then I take it, nah, maybe just me, right, maybe just me ego talking, saying that is I, right, so my wife, she checked the video, right, she watch it, and she be like, hey, the man, husband, that is you, because she ain't the man in person, check herself, right? But I is, right? And I always be happy and, living life, man. I was from the islands, this commercial is I. I mean, that is me. At first, I check it like, wait a minute, maybe that me at the office or something, I don't know, right? Like, no, that's a different dude, right? It'd be tripping me out how much it is I. I mean, I study enough consciousness, right? Enough island culture, enough island concepts of higher understanding of knowing true self to live in a land of mental freedom, right? To live in a place of higher consciousness, higher self. So I always be, telling people. Because at first I was like, man, I don't say that. My wife be like, you say that all the time. All the time you tell the children, turn your frown upside down, right? And I'd be like, I do that? And she's like, yeah, man, you do that all the time. The sticky bun comes soon. That be the funny thing, man. Now, they'll come soon, I do say that. Sticky bun, no. But that is a different context here. It comes soon now, right? And let's talk about some of my favorite lines. I got two favorite lines of this commercial. The first favorite line in sequence is you're from they asking me from Minnesota, right? And you go yes I want to add in Rastafari, right? You go yes I the land of 10,000 lakes, the Gopher State. It's some funny ex there, my son, because I know people from Minnesota. Right? And the English should be a whole next thing, right? Especially compared to the way I talk, right? And then my other favorite part, they kind of tie up, right? My other favorite part, but my favorite part for a different reason, okay, is respect, boss man, because that'd be a big thing, man. He put it all in a nutshell, man, Winston, cool it, man, right? I know some Winstons, he say it straight on, right? Yeah, he goes, yeah, respect, boss, man, right? So let's lay some things out. I watched this commercial the first time, but I watched it twice in a row just because it tripping me. He's like, that's his eye, and the third time I watched this commercial, I sat there and I watched it close and I really listened because, man, he accent it's spot on. Spot on. The only thing that I could pick up a hint of, right, is the accent a little old for his face, right? But that could just be who did his speech, understanding that maybe he just talking like maybe 20 years older than he age, right? See, mine's a little bit more modern, right? But it's splitting hairs to try to hear the difference. He accents, man, he patois so straight up, even I couldn't tell straight away. I had to look twice, man. Like maybe he from Jamaica. I don't know quite yet, right? So now, if it ain't enough that this man carry on just the way I carry on when I walk in my life, right? Telling people, no worries, man. Everything gonna be alright, and what was the next one? The coffee, right? That's the way I roll, man. That's the way I roll when I carry on with people. One of my one of my endeavors, right? Whenever I see somebody, you put a smile on their face, man, right? You got to turn them around, right? You know, I mean, it's one of my ambitions, right? My goal. If you come and you see me, you talk to me on the phone, or you see me in the street or something, right? That you should be feeling better after we talk than before, right? Okay. So I embody what this guy is, right? Now, if that ain't enough, right? I be born and raised in the Caribbean, or it's like they say in Jamaica, born and grow, right? But I come from down island, right? So we say born and raised. Minor difference that only Jamaicans and down island does know, right? So heavy thing, right? Me father, right? If it ain't enough that this is I, right? Me father, he from Germany. For real, man. He be born and raised in Germany. He born in Berlin. It's a German company, Volkswagen, right? No. If that ain't enough correlation, okay, we got the first thing. It is I. That's just the way I carry on. The second thing, man, it's a German company, and my father from Germany, right? Born in Berlin, raised out of Hamburg, right? Now, my mother, she from California. It's a California company that did the commercial. I mean, it go on and on, right? It's crazy hex, you know? Crazy hex, my son, right? So, I am a German born in the Caribbean, and this be the way I talk, and this is the way I roll and live in my life, right? I live up abroad now, up you know, in the north, in cold weather and thing, right? But it don't matter long, right? I still an island man, true and true. You know what I mean? Went public school, went and learned to talk this way, you know, because I grew up there. That's me home, man, right? So, let's see, what's the next thing? Some other good lines from the commercial. Oh. People claiming this commercial racist. That'd be the next thing. People claiming this commercial racist. And it make no sense to me. Now, no Jamaican man, no island woman, no island man. Be a lot of people from the islands talking about this now. That they don't think it's racist at all. It's white people carrying on too much. I have to agree with them, right? That is not racist, right? Because to call this commercial racist would be calling me racist by just existence. Because this commercial is I. I mean, it's crazy how this commercial is I. You know, I that's the way I roll, man. That's the way I is. The whole commercial. I's German, right? I's from the Caribbean. I's talk like that, right? I act like that all the time. I embody who he is, man, right? Who the commercial is. The commercial embody who I is. I mean, in 1 minute they put all the synopsis, a lot of who I is in one thing, right? Which is pretty amazing since you know, I don't know they and they don't know me, right? So to call this commercial racist would be to calling me racist. To calling the commercial racist would be calling me my existence racist. So by default or therefore, this commercial is not racist. Yeah, that'd be the thing. To call this commercial racist would be calling my existence the way I is racist. The way I roll racist. Which makes no sense at all. So therefore, the commercial is not racist. It'd be a funny thing. Most island people, I think almost everybody, think this commercial great. I mean, tourism going to go up. The Caribbean going to make more money. You know, people are going to be more interested in island things, right? Be a good thing, my son, right? So in all, the commercial not racist at all. It'd be a good thing. I like it. I watch it many times. I don't even remember. I stopped counting at 10 or 20, right? It's funny. You watch it and be like, man, they put a smile on your face. It reminds me of eyes. So it's like looking into a mirror. That's what the commercial is, man. It's like looking into a mirror. And you're like, wow. I mean, it's for real. The first time I watched it, be like, man, that is I. I'll be watching this thing, be like, man, it's like looking into a mirror. That is I. That's the way I roll. I mean, even got the yellow tie in my closet and the white shirt. You know, like, maybe that is I. No, that's a different dude. I mean, come on. That thing of funny hacks, you know, spread the word. You know, make sure to subscribe. I just put this up on the net to let people know about what the whole thing is, you know. Make sure to subscribe. The bottom, I put a link on this to my home page. JamaicanPatois.co. That'd be JamaicanPatois.co. Right? Dinuke.com. Check it out though, right? Right? JamaicanPatois.co. I put a link up on that too. Maybe in the description. Or if I can put it up on the video. I don't know. I knew these things, so I check it out. But subscribe, watch for my next videos, put a comment or two. Tell me what you want to see, man. Because for real, this commercial is you know, I could not have done it any better than they did. Well, maybe I could have done a little bit better because it is who I is, right? But pretty much, out of being a complete no place, coming to this commercial, being like looking into the mirror of who I is, right, is amazing. Is amazing unto itself. On the other hand, my studies of consciousness and realizing that there be no coincidences. There truly be no coincidences in higher, studying higher consciousness. You learn that in life and in true reality, there be no coincidences. And that's what's going on here. Because out of no place for them to put a commercial together like this, that's truly a reflection of who I is an amazing thing, man. Amazing thing. Anyway, check out the short version of this video, the long one. We put on some next things up. Check out the home page, leave a comment or two. Leave me some direction, what you want to hear me say, what you want to hear me do, right? There be some next things coming, like some funny Xmas on, right? We're gonna have some fun with this, man, like any island man would, right? Aye. Okay. Rastafari, later.